Up for sale, 1963 Nova SS. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 63 Nova SS, real SS, finished in factory correct colors of black with red interior, which are bucket seats with the factory console. California car. By the code on the motor, it's a 400 with aluminum heads, aluminum intake, and a 4-barrel carb with the upgraded turbo 350 automatic and a pretty much brand new power front disc brake conversion and 10-bolt rear, new leaf springs in the back, new shocks, new front control arms, new bushings in the front, lots of good stuff. And as always, tell you what I know about it and we'll drive it. So we will start here in the front on the front bumper here. Pretty much in excellent condition. You see just a few minor little marks on there if I want to be very picky. But the grille and the bezels around the headlights and the turn signals look great. The way the hood lines up here is excellent. It just rises just a little bit too much on both sides. But that's not bad. That's probably just a little adjustment. But the way it lines up to the fender is perfect. For being underneath the car, this is the exciting part. And obviously, being a California car, both fenders are original. The doors are original. All the quarters are original. The floors on the car. Normally I don't do this. I always take pictures of it and I show that underneath on the ad. But it's beautiful and it's totally original. So I just want to show you this from underneath. There's no patches underneath it. It's all original. There's the 10-bolt. You see they're up behind the rear end going up. I know my phone's, I dropped my phone. The inner rear quarters, the inner rocker on both sides, that's fantastic. And you see the new control arms, yada yada, up there as well. Up there as well, and there as well. I mean, totally, and even behind the gas tank, totally original. That was the last picture. Probably one of the nicest, if not the nicest, all original undercarriage that I've seen on any Nova. So let me pop the hood here real quick. Here you go, 400. Aluminum heads on it in the intake, like I said. There's your factory trim tag in place, which shows the proper colors, the black with the red bucket seats. Nice and clean. You see a new power brake booster and master cylinder for the brand new front disc brakes on it. So this all looks very nice. You got a nice battery. Oh, I just hit my head. Battery shut off there. And the underhood is nice as well with the hood insulation in there. Always a nice little touch. So we'll continue down the side of the car here. Oh, red lines with SS hubcaps on it. Look fantastic. You have the SS trim molding down the upper and the lower on the rear as well. It also has the factory SS gauges, the SS console, the SS horn button still. All that nice stuff. You kind of see it, just a little bit of that on this section there, but it's not down there. I tried to dust it off as much as I could. The door panel fitment to the front fender is very nice there. Of course, when it's original, you got that nice fitment to it. Of course, being original body panels, it's very straight. All the glass all the way around is pretty much in excellent condition. There's no cracks on it. Window moldings are very nice condition. Trim here. This is all nice. As well as in the back. That looks great as well. Here's the top of the car. I mean, it's kind of what you would expect it to look like. two little baby chips there. I mean, you don't even notice them. We'll open it up. Your VIN tag in place with the proper, I guess, butt weld, if you want to call it that. Of course, how you want it to be. Pretty much an excellent looking door panel here. There you go, use your factory bucket seats. Front seat belts. Nice red carpet in here. You see a little bit of discoloration here, but that's not bad. As well, it's mostly clean down there. Your Super Sport horn button has an added tack, of course, 'cause it's got a little more performance to the motor. Dash pad's nice. No cracks in it. The factory console with a different shifter in it. If there's one thing I'm going to tell you, in my opinion, I would just put a factory shifter in it. That's just me. And then on the console, this little piece of like vinyl, it's kind of coming off a little bit. I know you see that. On the other side, it's off totally. I have it in the trunk, so you're more than welcome to put that back on if you want to. I actually think it looks pretty good without it, because I like the way the metal looks, but again, just my opinion. Nice seat backs, nice and clean down there. That's always nice to see. That looks great. I'll show you the headliner, which is white. Good, you know, a little bit of discoloration there, and I know in there and on that corner too, it could be unoriginal headliner. I believe that, and if it is, excellent condition. Working dome light, again, I'm sure you noticed that. It looks like a little bit bigger tire in the back, which gives it a nice stance. Got a little rake to it, but not like jacked up rake, like a nice tasteful rake. Come on. Looks like there was a stone chip right there on the lip. Rear bumper, pretty much the same as the front, in excellent condition. And it's, you know, your SS logo on there, properly painted with the silver there. However, there's a little chip right there that could be touched up, of course. The trunk fitment. My camera's not focusing. Trunk fitment's very nice there. There, I noticed. It might be like a buffing compound in there, because that's not cracked. Come on, people. That's nice as well. Pop the trunk open. Well, I'm embarrassed to say this. I can't get the trunk open, but I already did, and I took pictures of it, because I was going to show you the original pan. It's got the trunk mat in there with the spare tire, and the tire iron, trunk mat. There's a manual in there, like a book. Again, original quarters, the original trunk pan. So, you know, of course I'm going to get that open at some point again. So let's just keep going here. See a little stone chip right there. A couple more of those little guys right there that you see, but again, it doesn't go up here. dust. Again, it's like you can't avoid it. Pretty much just as nice as the driver's side. Same goes for, you know, door jamb, molding there, the side of the dash and the seat. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. 63 Nova Super Sport. Black with red interior, bucket seats and console. Factory colors for the car. 400 motor, aluminum heads, 350 trans, power front disc brakes, 10-bolt rear. California car, I said that, all original body panels, all original floors, no patches, underneath no rust repair, obviously no rust. So we're getting to the point now where we are going to fire it up and then drive it, and that will be it there. More dust. Thank you. Hurry up. I'm losing my patience. Woohoo! Texting and driving.